These are the elevators at the Embassy Suites near Brandon in Tampa, Florida. We got some Scenic elevators right here, and they're Schindler's HT. Let's go to 5. We're at 5. Let's go down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. Pretty nice. Pretty sure these are 330As. Let's check the interlock when we get down to 1. That'll tell us. These elevators are pretty busy, but in the meantime, here's a look at the same one we were just on coming down. Let's look at the airlock. It looks like it says 50507. I can't really tell for sure. Anyway, we're gonna ride the other ones. We're gonna go to 5. We'll end the video down at 1. Here's your inspection certificate. And here's your cab view. This one takes a while to level. And the interlock says the same thing. May 2007 is when these were installed. Anyway, there it goes. And that'll be it.